Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide likes on your post and on other people's posts on Facebook. Let's launch the Facebook app first. Then you want to head to the lower right corner where you see your profile picture. Then you want to head to the top right corner and hit the gear icon, okay? Now we want to scroll down to the section of preferences, okay? Then I want you to click on reaction preferences. When you're over here, you have two options, which are completely different. Option number one will be simply to hide each likes, interactions, comments, and views on other people's posts that you're seeing on your Facebook feed. You toggle this on, and that's it. You will see their posts, but you're not gonna know how many people like them, dislike them, love them, interact with them, laugh at them, or how many views they got on their videos, okay? Second option will be to do something similar with your own post, meaning that if you toggle this on, when you publish a picture, no one will see how many people like it, dislike it, how many people comment on it, how many people love it. And also when you publish a video, people will not be able to see how many views did you get on this video, how many interactions, what is your engagement. Okay, this way you can protect yourself if you have a small channel and, for example, you try to get a sponsorship, you try to get a brand deal, but you're so small that you're getting very little views. Or, for example, you want to protect someone from, seeing who is interacting with you, who is your close friend, or who is having some, negative reactions or communication with you. This is how you limit the public overview of this. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.